the premise of the match is that we have these two monster trucks that are welded together in the front, and they have to push each other out of a quote unquote ring. Not a great welding job from the guy that starts. He sits down there for like 2 seconds. All right, they're good.
They're fine.
Exactly. And so they get inside their monster truck. There's obviously someone else in there. I think they insinuate that someone is driving the back wheels, but I'm fairly certain they're driving the whole car.
Okay.
But no, so it starts and they start pushing each other back and forth. We get shots of Hulk. Like
he's really driving this truck.
Yeah, they're insinuating like he's trying to put all his muscle into it and like it's somehow helping maneuver the car.
He's Pacific rimming to those arms on the outside.
Yeah, exactly. It's his kaiju.